Is it mandatory to learn grammar to speak English? Friends, this is a very important question because I come across many students who focus too much on grammar and never learn English speaking. Let me take you through my example. My mother tongue is Hindi. I come across many people in my hometown, city, or country who never attended any school and they can't even read a word, but still they are able to speak Hindi very well. They are able to speak Hindi fluently. What is the reason? They have been listening to Hindi language everywhere. They listen to their parents, they listen to friends, associates, and other people around them. And this way they have mastered Hindi speaking. And if I talk about UK, USA, or other European countries, there are many people who have never been to any school, who cannot read a word of English. Still, they are able to speak English well. Again, the same method, same formula, same technique. They have been listening to people around them. They have been listening to many resources, and this is how they developed their English speaking skills. So, am I telling you not to focus on grammar? No, I'm not telling you that. See, the knowledge of grammar helps you to speak clearly. The knowledge of grammar brings more clarity and polishing in your language, and the knowledge of grammar gives you more confidence. But the only thing I'm saying, if you have gone through many books on grammar, then don't focus on grammar too much and do not underestimate the importance of speaking also. You will be able to speak well once you start speaking. If you never start speaking, you will never be able to speak English well.